Okay, quick question for you guys. Have you ever looked at a pair of workout leggings or perhaps your gym gear and thought, I could totally stock this for a side hustle, or perhaps I could buy this in bulk for my team, but then you're hit with a wall? Where do I even source this without overpaying or guessing? Do not worry, I got you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Alibaba.com to browse a wide range of products, contact verified suppliers, and keep sourcing much more organized without leaving this chair. So now I am going to use some of my go-to fitness pieces to go to Alibaba.com and find some similar options and sourcing ideas so that you know what is up. It is pretty surprising how many options you can find once you know where to look. And it is not just about individual pieces either. The platform works for a wide range of things, from small business wholesale orders to stocking up on gear you love. First thing that stood out to me when I started using this is how much variety there is. You can browse across a wide range of categories and supplier options, and it is not just one type of product. And when you are sourcing stuff, it helps to have ways to narrow options down, right? So a lot of suppliers on the platform have this verified supplier badges, which means the platform has checked their business qualifications. I usually look at these first to speed up my search, but there are plenty of great suppliers on there without the badge too. Just one quick filter you can use, and if you want to save time, this is what you do. If you are just starting a side hustle, or if you are ordering for a small group, minimum order quantity makes a huge difference. On Alibaba.com, you can find low MOQ options, of course, depending on the supplier. This is really helpful because you can test out a product idea without having to commit to a big order upfront. And since you're working with professional suppliers, this works much better for bulk buys, especially when you compare the price through different quantity tiers. Of me trying to source workout gear, 17 tabs open, screenshots everywhere, basically playing detective, trying to track down who makes this stuff. Now, I open Alibaba.com, filter to what I need, and put together a short list without all the chaos. The one thing that I love is that this is all in one place. You don't have to jump from website to website, compare suppliers. Everything is right there on Alibaba.com. And guess what? If you're someone like me who does these things at odd hours of the day, like at 10 p.m., Alibaba has a customer service that is available 24/7 for you. Okay, now I want to show you guys a little feature I was actually surprised by. It's called AI mode. I used to stare at a blank message box for 10 minutes trying to write an inquiry. And I'm like, I want to buy these pants. It was so awkward. With this, you just type what you're looking for in regular English and it drafts a full inquiry message for you with all the important details. What product you want, quantity, any questions about customization. Quick note, it only writes the draft for you. You read it over, edit it if you want, and then send it yourself. It doesn't send anything automatically. It is really such a time saver for people like me who hate writing formal messages. Okay, so that solves the what do I even say problem. Now let's talk about how do I find the right match fast problem. So this next part is for my visual people. It is called Alibaba Lens, and it is a Google extension plugin. Basically, if you are scrolling a blog or any web page and you see a product you love, you don't have to guess what keywords to search to find something similar. No need to save or upload anything either. You just select the image right here on the page with the extension and matching products pop up in the sidebar right away. I've used this a lot when I see a cool pair of leggings on a style blog and I want to find something similar for a side hustle. It really saves a lot of time. So if you ever thought about starting a side hustle, or perhaps you just want to find better deals on gear that you already buy, well, this is why Alibaba.com is good for you. It has many different products and suppliers across a wide range of categories. There is a helpful filter that allows you to filter on verified suppliers that help you narrow down your search. If you don't want to order in bulk or a large order up front, there are low MOQ options available. Also, remember, there's the AI mode that allows you to craft a small message and it figures it out for you so that you can find what you're looking for. And of course, Alibaba Lens, which allows you with one little photo or screenshot to find something similar to what you're looking for. At the end of the day, whether you're just curious on how sourcing works or you're just ready to start a side hustle, it is really cool to know how easy it is all right now. If you want to check it out for yourself, go ahead and check out Alibaba.com, or you can also download the Alibaba.com app. And of course, if you end up trying it, I would love to know what everybody's looking for and what you're working on. Please go ahead and leave me a comment. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe if you think this was helpful. I will see you in the next one.